Hello everyone, welcome to the authentication series. So in this series we are going to build a system where administrator and user can log in, and they are according to their roles. If the user is administrator, they will be redirected to the administrator dashboard, and if the user role is user, so he or she will be redirected to their corresponding dashboard. So we are going to build a smaller system where administrator and user can log in. So it's basically provided by the Laravel. So we are going to apply some middlewares on it and authenticate the user is administrator or not. So this is for only for beginners who are not familiar with the authentication system. So we are in the Laravel 9 and we are going to build this authentication system. So it's very simple. You don't need to do anything. Laravel will provide us as much functionality, and we are able to build this system within a few minutes, not hours. Okay, so I will meet you in the series. Bye bye.